Hey Justin, I wanted to make you a very short but hopefully very helpful video trying to explain very clearly what feature we're trying to use your SDK for. So hopefully that when we do our working session slash implementation session together, we can be really quick and effective. So basically what we're trying to do is recreate this feature from Apple. So Apple has a folder called People and Pets. And what it does is it finds all the unique faces essentially, right? So each one of these circles represents a unique face found in the photo collection. And then you can click on one of these circles and you can see all the photos where that face is present. And then you can click add name and type crew. And now we basically named that unique face crew. So again, we want to scroll through the whole entire photo library of photos, find all the unique faces and represent them with a picture, each one of these circles, and then eventually we'll have the user be able to come in and add a name identifying who that person is. Okay, so in our app, this is TagCam, this is our app right here, so we're switching over. We do that in settings under Smart Tags. So what Smart Tags does is you can see in the top right corner, it's scrolling through all of the pictures. We had about 300 pictures, so it's going pretty quickly. And it's using your SDK to try to find all the unique faces. So far, let's see, it's still running, getting close to done. So far, it's found a handful of unique faces. Total smart tagged photos means it's found, in this case, 59 photos so far, where it can find at least one face. So we put those numbers there just to keep track of how the SDK is performing. So of our 300 photos, let's see, it's about done. Of our 300 photos, it found faces in only 87 of the photos. Now that's a little bit surprising to me because, again, let's see here, we have 295 photos. And, I think it struggles with faces like that. I understand his faces has a little bit of yaw and pitch to it, but I think when extracting faces, it would be okay if it's still, here's another one that's a good example. We would like to kind of play with the thresholds and the settings to still be able to pull out photos like where like her face is a little bit turned, but we think it should still be able to pick up that face. His face right here is a little bit turned and rolled, but we still think it should be able to, pick up that face. Then once it picks up those faces, then we, want the ability to click in here and see all the photos where that person's in it. This one worked really well. This worked really well. This one mistakenly thinks those two girls are the same as that little boy right there on the right. So we just got some things we need to iron out and dial. So some of our questions are, why is it not finding more of the photos? Why is it not finding more faces? And then just dialing the accuracy. As you can see, we are very close. So we're very excited. We think we're, about there. We're just hoping with your help that maybe we can help experiment and dial and adjust those different thresholds and similarity properties so that we can get this just a little bit more perfect. And then we should be good to go. Thanks, Justin. Appreciate it.